The Restoration Cross-Check Strategic Strikes Workshop is your opportunity to get cutting-edge advice and input from some of the nation's leading experts. We will help you customize your restoration price list, fine-tune your adjuster relations and negotiations, and teach you advanced management skills. It's the Restoration Cross-Check Strategic Strikes to accelerate your restoration business for 6 IICRC credits. Available now at restorationcrosscheck.com.
I like the part about the pricing. It actually opened our eyes up about how we're going to be able to make more money and how the insurance companies have been taking advantage of us restoration contractors.
It was great, the different experts that were presented, and this kind of gave us like almost an assortment of all these different perspectives about the restoration field that just had me look at things in different ways. And every consultant that presented each have their own like superpower, and it just gave me a lot of clarity on different ways to approach this job. And so I came away with a whole bunch of ideas on things that I can implement, but it also gave me like a wider perspective on the potential in a lot of different areas and all the resources that are available that I could tap into if I wanted to. So I came away, I didn't know what to expect, but I came away supercharged.
I've learned a lot from Ed Cross and Anthony over the past few years by networking with them.
The most powerful takeaway would be hard to define because all of it was such great information. We came specifically for the price list and the adjuster negotiations. Everything else that came with it was incredibly powerful, so it was just excellent all the way around.